stand by.
Hello, what's up everyone? And we are Big Brothers Tech Review.
And for today's videos, we all talk about
Samsung A54 5G.
And we will start to discuss one of the Samsung A-series phone, the Samsung A54 and its specs, performance, and the retail price. The Samsung Galaxy A54 got released on March 24, 2023 by Samsung Electronics.
The Samsung A54 design and build quality adopts a design language reminiscent of Samsung's flagship S-series, featuring a glass back and individual camera enclosures. This design gives it a premium feel compared to many competitors in the same price range. However, the design's glossy finish can make it slippery, which might require a case for a better grip. The design build quality is solid, with Gorilla Glass 5 offering a decent protection, but some users find it overall have a design slightly cumbersome.
The display of Samsung A54 was 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display is one of the highlights of the Galaxy A54. It offers vibrant colors, deep contrast, and smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. These features make the display great for content consumption, gaming, and general features. The brightness levels are impressive, ensuring usability even under direct sunlight. However, the bezels are slightly thicker than what you expected in modern smartphone, which may detract from the immersive experience for some users.
The camera of the Samsung A-series comes equipped with a triple camera setup, headlined by a 50-megapixel primary sensor. The camera captures vibrant, sharp photos in well-lit condition with excellent color reproduction. Night photography is decent though. It struggles slightly with nose in darker environments. The 12mAh ultra-wide lens and 50mAh micro lens provide a versatility, but the latter is somewhat niche and requires ideal conditions to deliver satisfactory result video. Recording of 4K is smooth, but stabilization could be better. Overall, the camera performance is good for the price, though colors can appear oversaturated at times.
how about the performance and software of a Samsung A54. Samsung A54 has a powerful processor. The A54 is powered by the Exynos 13A processor with a 5nm chip that delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks, gaming, and multitasking. Ample RAM and storage. The A54 comes with a 6GB or 8GB of RAM depending on the market, and offers 128GB or 256GB of internal storage for gaming and multitasking, and further expanded with a VIA micro SD card. Long-term software support. Samsung is known for its commitment to software updates, and the A54 benefits from this with 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security updates.
Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A54 is a solid mid-range smartphone that offers excellent value for money. Its performance lies in its stunning display, long battery life, and capable camera system. While it lacks the top-tier performance of flagship phones, it's more than capable for most users. If you're looking for a well-rounded phone without breaking the bank, the A54 is definitely worth considering. However, users who prioritize the top-tier performance or a more versatile camera system might. So what are the thoughts on A54? Let me know in the comments below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.
Now, if you want to buy the Samsung A54, just visit the Samsung website, and that's all for today. See you all!